to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, I am going to take your new topic, that is note making and summarizing. Let's know what is note making. Actually, in the examination, there is a lengthy passage, long passage, and first of all, we have to go through the passage, and that particular passage is to be divided into 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, and we must have lead pencil. With the help of lead pencil, we have to mark the parts. And first of all, we have to know the characteristics of note making. In note making, first of all, title is required. At the top, there will be the title. And there will be sections. Means main sections, as I have told you that you have to divide the passage into 4 parts, 5 parts. If that is divided in 4 parts, then there will be 4 main sections. And under those 4 main sections, then there will be subsections. For example, there is one main section, and under that there are 2 subsections. It means the particular part is also to be divided into 2 parts. Maybe only one subsection, maybe 3 subsections. It means main section, if that is only one, then there will be one subsection. If that is to be divided in 2 parts, then there will be 2 subsections. If that is divided into 3 parts, then there will be 3 subsections. Again, under those subsections, there will be subsections. In the same way, if there is one subsection, if there are 2 subsections like this, now we have to know if our passage is divided into 4 parts. Now there are 4 main sections, and under those 4 main sections, if we divided those 4 main sections into 2 subsections, then there will be 2 subsections under each. And under subsection, then there will be subsection. It means main section, subsection, subsection. Like this will go on. If there is one main section, 2 subsections means 3, and 2 subsections means 4 and 3, 7. And 7 into 4 means 28. Here 28 lines will be used. If there are 3 main sections, then there will be lines accordingly. And this will be your note making. In note making, we have to bring only heads. Means main heads, means main section, subheads means subsections, subheads means subsections. There will not be long sentences. Only the words are to be arranged, and through words the meaning must be clear. And there is also one main point, that is regarding abbreviation. As this is the initial stage of your report writing. When any report is written, the reporter reaches on the spot, then he makes the notes, and these are the notes. Actually, he has no much time. Then the words are also mentioned in abbreviations. For example, member of legislative assembly MLA, member of parliament MP. Like this, there are some abbreviations. These abbreviations are to be used in one note making. At least 4 to 5 abbreviations are to be used. When our notes are completed, then we have to make a box key to abbreviations. Then that is to be cleared. For example, MLA, member of legislative assembly, MP, member of parliament. Like this is to be mentioned. And this is your note making. I'll take your example in my next video. And the second thing in it is there is summarizing. Actually, the whole passage, that is in 400 to 500, 600 words, and this is to be summarized into 80 words. Actually, our summary is to be made based on those particular points which are in our notes. Based on those notes, we have to summarize the passage, and going through these 80 words, everything must be very clear in our mind, means about which, about what, about whom the particular passage is. So dear students, this is your note making, and in my next video I will take example. Then that will also be made very clear for you. Thank you very much.